So, got this lifted up, starting to put the chains back together. I didn't film a whole lot of this because nothing actually new, or I didn't build anything. This is already like this. I'm just putting everything back together, putting the motors in. I got to get the sprockets lined up, get chains made because I'm using the larger sprockets back here to give me more reduction, because for battle I was using the 1-to-1 reduction. I was using a smaller sprocket, but I want more torque because I'm going to be pulling a lot of weight with this setup. Yeah, just a general overview of some things to come. Gonna put those tires on it. I like those tires better. There's the bucket. I guess I'm trying to figure out what chain fits. So I'm trying to get this master link in. Several ways you could do it. This is out in the open, so this tool here will work pretty good. This is specifically for pulling chains together. This is a set of needle-nosed vice style grips that I got from Harbor Freight, and I drilled a hole in it to grab a hold of the chains and try to bring them together. That one works at times. Right over the special clear. I'll show you the half-ass acres way of making a shorter chain. Test this out. What do you know? Side's driving. That side's not even actually hooked up, but hey, it's rolling. Well, we're getting closer. So this is rusted up from sitting. These usually slide here and lets it run in true on its own, and then, you know, a little give and take for the slack. But this is froze up tight. I can't get that nut off. So I'm going to try probably some stupid stuff and try to get it freed up. So I figured, well, if I'm going to be stupid, I might as well get it on camera. Oh, no, can't. That might get dark. So, story time. When I first started building robots, I sent these machinable centered sprockets from Surplus Center to a machine shop, Deerfield Machine, here in Jersey. And I asked them simply, bore them out to the correct bore and keyway, put the keyway in for the metric key that these take. So it's a metric bore, metric key. They did not do what I asked, nor did they explain to me that they could not do what I asked, or did not feel like buying the brooch that it would take to do what I asked them to do. And they go and machine me 3 sprockets, and then they make me 3 step keys to convert it from the metric to the standard. They charged me well over $200 to do this, which I didn't run, you know, whatever, it cost what it cost, but then proceeded to tell me, you know, it took a long time to make those step keys, and that's why it was so expensive. They're step keys that I didn't ask you to make for a size that I now can't buy anywhere, and I have to make my own step keys for. Make sure when you ask a machine shop to do something they listen, and they actually have the capability to do what you ask them to do. Otherwise, here we are, 5 years later, fighting the fact that it's stripped a step key. And now I'm going to have to machine my own step key if I don't have a spare floating around still. Alright, ran over. Step keys out. Yeah, that's shear right up there, huh? Alright, let's clean this up. Man, did I get lucky all them years ago. I was real big into the food saver bags, and I, wanting to keep them dry and keep them from rusting, vacuum formed, or vacuum saved, the spare sprocket and the spare step key. Ooh. Ah, yeah, 2015 error there. Huh. That's right. They didn't even make it fit. I have to cut it down. Yay! Good thing they spent all that money machining these step keys to not fit. By the way, I gave them one of these when I had them do the machining, so they'd make sure it fit. It's gonna see if I can fly this across the shop in the friggin' wheel grinder. Send it.